Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing Windows 7 so Python can run reliably. Make sure you have Service Pack 1 and recent security updates. This enables modern TLS and libraries. Next, download Python 3.8x. It's the last branch with broad Windows 7 compatibility, and grab the matching Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable before running the installer. Once done, run the installer as administrator and keep an eye for path options. This saves time when you open the command prompt. You'll now perform the detailed install and configuration steps. Choose Customize to set a clear folder like C/Python38 and check Add to Path so Python and pip are available in terminals. Enable pip and idle during setup and select Install for all users if multiple accounts will use it. After installation, open CMD and run Python version and pip version to confirm success, then pip install virtualenv. This gives you isolated environments and prevents package conflicts later. You finish by creating a virtual environment and validating execution. Run Python mvenv c/miproject/venv, activate it, then pip install your packages. Run simple scripts to confirm. Make file associations, and pick an editor like idle or VS Code for debugging. If something goes wrong, the most common fixes are installing the correct Visual C++ redistributable or enabling TLS1 to support via Windows updates. Many SSL failures and missing DLLs resolve with those steps. If errors persist, note the exact message before troubleshooting further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.